is Chef Dennis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a new recipe. Before we begin, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell button. Our recipe for today, we are going to prepare braised potatoes. We have our oil, we have salt, we have garlic powder, we have ginger powder, we have the paprika, we have diced onions, and we have our potatoes which we have cut them into wedges. Here is our braised potatoes. I hope guys you have enjoyed the recipe. Please comment on the comment section, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, so that you'll be the first person to see my YouTube videos every now and then when I post them. Until next time guys, bye bye.